How to mask, delete, saved password on Opera browser on Android device. Make sure you have the Opera browser installed on your device and is up to date. Tap on it to open it. Once tap on it, tap on this icon here. Now scroll up a bit until you have access to the password. Tap on it. Then provide your means of identification on your device, either the PIN or the fingerprint. So let me provide the PIN and we'll come back. Now that we've provided the PIN and we have access to all these passwords, so all I have to do now is to delete the password because I don't want it again, as the name may be. Tap on settings button you see at the top of the screen here. Then you see this option that says delete. Tap on it. Then tap on delete button to mask delete all the saved password on your Opera browser on your mobile device. That's all, guys. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.